Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the topic important days of July month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you'll see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from that, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book, a PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here that we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start. First is 1st of July. 1st of July is observed as National CA Day. CA is your chartered accountant. Alright, the person who looks after the finances of a company or an individual persons related to tax. Alright, so chartered accountant day is observed on 1st of July. Remember, 1st of July is actually very important day that you should remember, because CA as well as World Doctors Day, National Doctors Day is also observed on 1st of July. That makes this particular day very important. Alright, so let's start with CA, that is your National Chartered Accountant Day is observed on 1st of July to commemorate the establishment of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India by Parliament under Chartered Accountant Act of 1949. This day highlights the importance of chartered accountants in bringing transparency to the economy. The year 2021 marks the celebration of the 73rd National Chartered Accountants Day. Remember this. This is your 73rd National. It can be asked in year 2021 or this year we observed which National Chartered Accountant Day. So it was your 73rd National Chartered Accountant Day. As a part of celebration 73rd Chartered Accountant Day, ICAI has organized a virtual event, and the name of the event was Remembering the Glorious Existence and Envisioning the Future. Moving on. Second is your, as I told you, National Doctors Day. This is also very important from the point of exam. All right. So 1st of July, National Chartered Accountant Day, and then is your National Doctors Day. It is also important. Do take a note of it. National Doctors Day. Let's look at it. The theme, first of all, you should know the theme of National Doctors Day. It is Save the Survivors. All right, Save the Survivors was the theme of the National Doctors Day for the year 2021. This day is annually observed across India on 1st of July to recognize the efforts and contributions of the doctors community to the society and the commitment of the doctor towards their profession. The day also marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. We have discussed this question yesterday in the weekly or monthly video. Alright, so do check it out. Dr. Bidhan, to mark the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who served as the Chief Minister of which state? West Bengal from 1948 to 1962. Alright, in his memory, we observe 1st of July as the National Doctors Day. The Indian Medical Association, that is your IMA, celebrates this National Doctors Day across India. If it is asked that which organization observes or which organization celebrates National Doctors Day across India, it is your IMA, that is Indian Medical Association. And we have seen the Save the Survivor is the theme for the National Doctors Day. Second is your 1st of July, we also observe GST Day. Alright, what is GST? GST is your goods and service tax. Alright, let's look at it. This is observed on 1st of July. This day marks the commemoration of the unprecedented reform of Indian taxation, that was GST. This day is observed by the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs, that is CBIC, across India. This is the 4th GST day. Alright, this is the 4th GST day. Now can you tell me in which year this GST was implemented? Comment below. Alright, as this is the 4th GST day, that means this is the 4th time this GST day is observed by India. Can you tell me from which date it or which year it was originated, or it from which year it started? Alright, comment below. Next we'll be talking about the whole first week from 1st of July to 7th of July. We observe National Crop Insurance Week. Alright, if it is asked, first week is observed as what? It is observed as National Crop Insurance Week, as we are seeing the protest of farmers all over India, so this can be important. National Crop Insurance Week from 1st of July to 7th of July, or the first week of July. Narendra Singh Tomar, who is the Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, flags off the observance of the Crop Insurance Week 2021, which is from 1st to 7th of July over a virtual platform. He also launched the Crop Insurance Awareness Campaign during the event of the Crop Insurance Week. Moving on 2nd of July, we observe World Sports Journalist Day. Alright, World Sports Journalist Day is observed on 2nd of July. If I talk to you, there is a prize that is given in the field of journalism, that is Pulitzer Prize. Alright, Pulitzer Prize is given in the field of journalism, and 2nd of July is observed as your World Sports Journalist Day. The 66th Foundation Day of SBI was also observed on 1st of July. Do remember this. This is an additional information. Alright, on 1st of July, SBI, the largest lender and the oldest commercial bank in India, has celebrated its 66th Foundation Day. On the same day in 1955, the Government of India took control of the Imperial Bank of India, with the Reserve Bank of India taking a 60% stake and renamed it as the SBI, that is your now known as State Bank of India. It can also be asked, SBI, what was the earlier name of SBI? It was your Imperial Bank of India. And when was the Imperial Bank of India changed to SBI? It was changed in 1955 by the Government of India. Moving on. Next is your 3rd of July. On 3rd of July, we observe International Plastic Bag Free Day. Alright, I repeat, on 3rd of July, we observe International Plastic Bag Free Day. Important day because it is related to your environment. If we look at the data, the International Plastic Bag Free Day is annually observed across the globe on 3rd of July to create awareness about the issues of plastic pollution and to highlight the effects of plastic pollution on the natural environment ranging from land to marine. That means both on land as well as on water, to control the effect of plastic on the environment. This particular day, that is your International Plastic Bag Day, International Plastic Bag Free Day is observed. If we look at the background, the Plastic Bag Free Day is global initiative of Zero Waste Europe that aims to eliminate the use of single-use plastic bags in the world. At present, the Plastic Bag Free Day is a part of Break Free from Plastic movement, which unites the international movement of plastic pollution fighters to build a future free from plastic waste. So, 3rd of July is observed as International Plastic Bag Free Day. Moving on. 3rd July. 3rd July is also observed as International Day of Cooperatives. Alright, let's look at it. The UN, that is your United Nations International Day of Cooperatives, that is hashtag Cops Day, is observed annually on the first Saturday of July. Remember, when is your International Day of Cooperatives observed? It is observed on the first Saturday of July. That falls on this time, it falls on 3rd of July. It is observed to increase the awareness of cooperatives and highlight the contribution of the cooperative movement. It aims to strengthen and extend partnerships between the international cooperation movement and other actors, including government, local and national, at national and international level. The theme is important for the International Cooperative Day, that is Rebuild Better Together. From all this that we read here, important one is the name, that is International Day of Cooperatives. It is observed by UN. Alright, it falls on the first Saturday of July and the theme is Rebuild Better Together. Moving on. Next, on 1st of July we also observe one other day, that is your International Fruit Day. Alright, remember, International Fruit Day is also observed on the 1st of July. International Fruit Day observed on 1st of July to share fruits in sympathy and joy with family, friends or needy people. This day also addresses the people who create and preserve positive living conditions. The motto of the International Fruit Day was Create Change Together. You can say the motto, or if it is asked what is the theme of the International Fruit Day, it is also to create change together. And the fruit of the year was named watermelon. Alright, watermelon was named as the fruit of the year for the year 2021. This is important, do remember. Alright, fruit of the year for the year 2021 is watermelon. Theme for the International Fruit Day is Create Change Together, and this day is observed on 1st of July. Moving on. Next is your 6th of July. 6th of July is observed as World Zoonosis Day. What is Zoonosis? Let's look at it. Zoonosis, actually these are the diseases that are transferred from the animals to humans. So World Zoonosis Day is annually observed across the globe on 6th of July to create about awareness about the zoonosis or zoonotic disease, that is a disease or infection transmitted from vertebrate animals to humans. It can also be asked, okay, because recently due to this pandemic the questions related to the viruses and disease are now more important because they are the current and fierce topic. Alright, so 6th of July, World Zoonosis Day. And what is zoonotic and zoonosis disease? These are the diseases that are transferred from, or the infections that are transferred from vertebrate animals to humans. On 6th of July 1885, Louis Pasteur, who was a French biologist, has successfully administered the first vaccine against rabies and zoonosis disease. This is a very important question. You must have studied this earlier. This vaccine was developed by whom? Louis Pasteur. Remember the year also, that it was developed in 1885. Moving on. Next is your National Fish Farmers Day is observed on 10th of July. Remember, National Fish Farmers Day. The National Fish Farmers Day is annually observed on 10th of July in the memory of scientists Dr. K.H. Ali Kuni and Dr. Hira Lal Chaudhary, who successfully demonstrated the indeed breeding in the Indian major carps on 10th of July 1957. This day also recognizes the contribution and the efforts of fish farmers in producing the fish to meet the needs of the people. India celebrated the 21st National Fish Farmers Day on the 10th of July in 2021. Moving on. Next is your World Population Day. Very important. Remember it. Alright, as population is increasing day by day, you should know when is World Population Day is observed. It is observed on 11th of July. If I talk to you about World Environment Day is observed on 5th of June. This is also important. Do take a note of it. Alright, so World Population Day, July 11th. The world, it is observed by United Nations. First thing, World Population Day is annually observed across the globe on 11th of July to create awareness about the urgency and importance of population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health and human right and their relations to the environment and development. So just remember World Population Day on 11th of July. Next, as you can see here, she is a very famous person. Malala Day is observed on 12th of July 2021. Do remember it. Malala Day is observed on 12th of July to mark the birth and birthday of Malala Yousafzai, who is a Pakistani activist or a female education and the youngest ever Nobel laureate. The UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon dubbed the 16th birthday of the Malala Yousafzai as the Malala Day to honor her contribution to ensure education for all the young girls in Pakistan. Supporting the global education first initiative of the UN Secretary General, the youth representatives from across the globe celebrated 16th birthday of the Malala as Malala Day to show their support for the universal education. So Malala Day is observed on 12th of July. It is marked as the birthday of Malala Yousafzai. She is a Pakistani activist. And this day was declared as the Malala Day by whom? By the then present 2013 present UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. Moving on. Next is your World Youth Skills Day. All right, as we know nowadays, India, even all over the world, all the countries are more focusing on the development. But as you can see, every month or you can say every week, some or the other scheme is launched by the government to make Indian population skilled. That means to give proper skills in a particular field so that they don't have to depend on someone for the earning. They can have the proper skill and go for apply a job. So World Youth Skills Day was observed on 15th of July. The theme for this day was reimagining youth skills post pandemic. Alright, I repeat, reimagining youth skills post pandemic was the theme for the World Youth Skills Day, which is observed on 15th of July. Let's look at some of the data. It is observed by United Nations World Youth Skills Day. It is observed across the globe on 15th of July to highlight the importance of empowering the youths with the skills for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. The day offers a platform for the young people, technical and vocational education training institutions, firms, employers and workers, organizations, policymakers and development partners to discuss the importance of the empowering youths. According to YMCA, the world's oldest and the largest youth-focused movement, the theme was reimagining youth skills post-pandemic. Alright, I repeat, the theme for this World Youth Skills Day is for the year 2021, it is reimagining youth skills post-pandemic. Because after the pandemic is over, we will see that a large portion of the population of every country will be left unemployed, because most of the jobs are now lost because of this pandemic and the lockdown going everywhere on the earth. Moving on. Next is your 15th of July. On 15th of July, we observe National Plastic Surgery Day. I repeat, National Plastic Surgery Day is observed on 15th July. On 15th of July, we observe World Youth Skills Day. Do remember this. This is one of the most important one. Alright, World Youth Skills Day. Then on 15th of July, we observe National Plastic Surgery Day as World Plastic Surgery Day. Let's look at it, what it is saying. National Plastic Surgery Day, which is observed on 15th of July in India, has been adopted as the World Plastic Surgery Day by the leaders of plastic surgery specialist bodies across the globe. The announcement of the World Plastic Surgery Day was made by the Association of Plastic Surgeons in India. This day, that is your 15th of July, will be observed as the first ever World Plastic Surgery Day. That means in the year 2021, it is the first edition of the World Plastic Surgery Day. Starting from 2021, the 15th of July every year will be now observed as the World Plastic Surgery Day. Moving on. Next is your Day of International Criminal Justice, which is observed on 17th of July. The Day of International Criminal Justice, it is observed on 17th of July. The Day of International Criminal Justice observed on 17th of July across the globe by International Criminal Court. Can be asked, who or which is the organization that observes the Day of International Criminal Justice? It is observed by International Criminal Court, that is your ICC. This is to recognize the efforts of the modern justice against international criminal acts and its role in bringing peace and security to the world. This day is also known as World Day of International Justice and the International Criminal Justice Day. Moving on, this is also important one. On 18th of July, we observe what? Nelson Mandela International Day. Very important. Nelson Mandela International Day is observed on 18th of July. And this year, the theme for this day was One Hand Can Feed Another. I repeat, one hand can feed another. Alright. So, the United Nations Nelson Mandela International Day. Observed by whom? Observing organization is your United Nations. Day is Nelson Mandela International Day, observed across the globe on 18th of July to recognize the contribution of Nelson Mandela towards justice, peace and dialogue and his role in Africa's struggle for liberation and unity. This day also marks the birth anniversary of Rohilal Nelson Mandela, who played a major role in creating a non-racial, non-sexist and democratic South Africa. This day is also known as Mandela Day or your Nelson Mandela International Day. That year 2021, Mandela Day marks the 103rd birth anniversary of Nelson Mandela. The theme for this year was One Hand Can Feed Another for the 2021's Nelson Mandela International Day. Moving on. Next is your International Chess Day, that is observed on 20th of July. If we look at the data, it is observed by United Nations. World Chess Day observed on 20th of July to highlight the role of the World Chess Federation or International Chess Federation towards international cooperation for the chess activity and improving harmony among the people across the globe. Then the day focuses on the importance of chess in the implementation of 2030 agenda for the sustainable development and sustainable development goals. This World Chess Day has also in the year 2021 has marked the 97th birth anniversary of your International Chess Federation. Next is your 19th of July. On 19th of July, we observe Bank Nationalization Day. Alright, I repeat, Bank Nationalization Day is observed on 19th of July. The Bank Nationalization Day observed on 19th of July commemorates the issuance of the banking companies, that is your acquisition and transfer of undertakings ordinance of 1969. On 19th of July 1969, that nationalized 14 major banks in India with a deposit of more than 50 crore rupees each. 19th of July 2021 marks the 57th anniversary of bank nationalization. So, on 19th of July, we observe Bank Nationalization Day. Next is your 20th of July. On 20th of July, we observe Space Exploration Day. Important, alright. Space Exploration Day is observed on 20th of July. Space Exploration Day, also known as the Moon Day, is annually observed across on 20th of July. That marks the anniversary of Apollo 11, that was the first manned mission to land on the moon. This day aims to encourage people to learn about space exploration and to inspire the youth to consider space science and space exploration as their career. So remember the date, 20th of July. In 1969, on 20th of July, NASA astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set their foot on the surface of the moon. If we talk about Apollo 11, the primary objective of Apollo 11 was to perform a crewed lunar landing and to return to Earth. Apollo 11 was launched from Cape Kennedy on 16th of July 1969, carrying Commander Neil Armstrong and Commander Module Pilot Michelle Collins and Lunar Module Pilot Edwin Buzz Aldrin. On 20th of July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the lunar surface. Alright, next is your 22nd July. Alright, you know this is a pi. You must have studied this in maths. Its value is 3.14, or famously it is known by 22/7. That is the reason on 22nd of July, this is the date and this is the month. That means on 22nd of July, this day is observed as pi approximation day. As we know, the number pi is very long, but famously it is known as 3.14 or 22/7. So pi approximation day is observed on 22nd of July. Pi approximation day observed on 22nd of July to honor the concept of pi represented using the Greek alphabet pi and the approximation of pi values to 3.14 in mathematically pleasing way. Why on 22nd? As I just mentioned, in the day format, 22 is your date and 7 is your month, that is of July. So that is the reason this day is observed as pi approximation day. Next we'll be talking about Income Tax Day. Income Tax Day is observed on 24th of July and 1st of July is observed as National GST Day. Alright, 1st of July National GST Day and your 24th of July we observe Income Tax Day. Let's look at it. The Central Board of Direct Taxes, that is your CBDT, is the organization that celebrates the Income Tax Day. This is the 161 Income Tax Day or Ayakar Divas on 24th of July 2021. It was on 24th of July 1860 the income tax was introduced in India by Sir James Wilson. Remember this. When was income tax introduced into India? It was introduced in 1860 by whom? By Sir James Wilson, to compensate the British government for the losses incurred during the First World War of Independence in 1857. Next is your World Brain Day. World Brain Day is observed on 22nd of July. World Brain Day. The theme for this day was Stop Multiple Sclerosis. What is this sclerosis? Sclerosis is a cognitive neurological disease that leads to physical disability among people across the age groups. The theme that is important for this World Brain Day is Stop Multiple Sclerosis, that is observed on 22nd of July. Alright, World Brain Day. Multiple, this year focus was on multiple sclerosis. It is a cognitive neurological disease that leads to physical disability among people across age groups. Next is your 27th of July. 27th of July we observe CRPF Raising Day, that is your Central Reserve Police Force Raising Day. It was the 83rd edition of this CRPF Raising Day that was observed on 27th of July. This CRPF Day, that is Central Reserve Police Force Day, that is your India's largest central armed police force under the Ministry of Home Affairs, celebrated the 83rd edition of CRPF Raising Day on 27th of July. The CRPF Raising Day is annually observed on 27th of July to mark the establishment of this force. The day recognizes the valor and professionalism of the CRPF and recognizes their contribution to securing the internal security of India and maintaining peace. So 27th of July is your CRPF Raising Day and this was the 83rd edition in 2021. Next is your World Nature Conservation Day. Very important, do take a note of it. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28th of July. Let's look at it. As the name suggests, World Nature Conservation Day, it is on 28th of July. This is to highlight the importance of nature and the environment. This day also creates awareness about the significant role of nature conservation in protecting the earth. The main objective of this World Nature Conservation Day is to promote the best practices to protect and conserve the environment, to save flora and fauna which are facing extinction. Next is on 28th of July we also observe World Hepatitis Day. The theme for this year was Hepatitis Can't Wait. It is observed by United Nations. Day is World Hepatitis Day, observed on 28th of July to highlight the need for the global response defined in the World Health Organization's Global Hepatitis Report of 2017. The day aims to create awareness about the viral hepatitis which causes severe liver disease and hepatocellular cancer. World Hepatitis Day is sponsored by WHO, and the theme is important. You have to remember the theme. It is hepatitis can't wait for the World Hepatitis Day, observed on 28th of July by WHO. All right. Next, this day is actually sponsored by WHO. Next is your, on 29th of July we observe International Tiger Day. When did Tiger Protection Act came into force? It came into force in 1973. When it came into force, there were only nine tiger reserves in India at present, and now till date, if we talk about 2021, till now there are 52nd tiger reserves in India. It can be asked in your exam. There are total 52nd tiger reserves in India, and this International Tiger Reserve Day is observed on 29th of July in year 2021. Let's look at the data. International Tiger Day observed on 29th of July. Alright, the scientific name of the tiger is Panthera tigris, that belongs to the genus Panthera. It is one of the species that has been classified as endangered by IUCN. What is IUCN? International Union for Conservation of Nature. The theme for International Tiger Day is Global Tiger, or the International Tiger Day is also known as your Global Tiger Day. The aim is to spread awareness about the decreasing population of tigers and the importance of tiger conservation and their natural habitat. So on 29th of July we observe International Tiger Day. Next is your 30th of July. On 30th of July we observe World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. Alright, and the theme was Victims' Voices Led the Way. I repeat, Victims' Voices Led the Way was the theme for the World Day Against Trafficking in Person, that is observed on 30th of July. United Nations World Day Against Trafficking in Person, observed on 30th July to create awareness about the situation of the victims of human trafficking and to promote and protect their rights. The theme was Victims' Voices Lead the Way, that highlights the importance of listening and learning from the survivors of human trafficking. Alright. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.